Did you know the human brain is the only organ in the body that feels no pain? That's right. Despite being responsible for processing all the pain we feel, the brain itself has no pain receptors. But how is that possible? Stick around as we uncover the science behind this mind-blowing fact. Pain is our body's alarm system. It helps us avoid danger and protect ourselves. When you touch something hot or stub your toe, specialized nerve endings called nociceptors send signals through the spinal cord to the brain. The brain then interprets those signals and tells you, "Ouch, that hurts." But here's the twist. If you were to poke the brain itself, it wouldn't feel a thing. Unlike your skin, muscles, and even internal organs, the brain has 0 pain receptors. That means if a surgeon were to touch or even cut brain tissue, the person wouldn't feel any pain. That's why doctors can perform awake brain surgeries where patients stay conscious to help guide the operation. Crazy, right? Now, if the brain doesn't feel pain, why do we get headaches? Good question. Headaches aren't caused by the brain itself, but by surrounding structures, like blood vessels, the meninges, which protect the brain, and muscles around the skull. When these structures become inflamed or irritated, we experience pain. Believe it or not, scientists discovered this fascinating fact through groundbreaking medical experiments. One of the most famous brain researchers, Dr. Wilder Penfield, performed surgeries on awake patients in the early 20th century. By stimulating different parts of the brain, he mapped out how it controls movement, sensation, and even memory, all without causing any pain. This knowledge helped revolutionize modern neuroscience. But why doesn't the brain have pain receptors? Evolution may have played a role. Since the brain is protected by the skull, it doesn't need the same pain detection as other organs. Instead, it focuses on processing pain from the rest of the body. This unique feature helps the brain function without unnecessary distractions. Even though the brain doesn't feel pain, it's the mastermind behind how we experience it. When you get hurt, pain signals travel to areas like the thalamus, which acts as a relay center, and then to the cerebral cortex, where pain is interpreted. Interestingly, different parts of the brain help process different aspects of pain, including its intensity and emotional impact. Here's something even stranger. Some people feel pain in limbs they no longer have. This is called phantom limb pain, and it happens because the brain still contains nerve pathways linked to the missing limb. Even though the limb is gone, the brain keeps interpreting signals as if it were still there. This is yet another example of how the brain plays tricks on us when it comes to pain. The fact that the brain doesn't feel pain has huge implications in medicine. Surgeons can perform operations on the brain while patients are awake, allowing doctors to carefully avoid areas responsible for speech, movement, and memory. Patients can even answer questions and react in real time during these surgeries, truly mind-blowing. Understanding how the brain processes pain has led to incredible advancements in medicine. Researchers are working on new ways to treat chronic pain by targeting pain pathways in the brain. From brain implants to virtual reality therapies, scientists are exploring cutting-edge techniques to help people manage pain more effectively. So, the next time you feel pain, remember, your brain is the mastermind behind it all, but it never feels pain itself. Mind blown? Let us know in the comments. And if you love learning cool facts like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing Did You Know videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for another mind-bending fact.